my name is Alexandra and welcome to my studio. Today I have two designs to show you, and both of them for babies and both of them for baby hats. So my first one is called Elvish Teeny Tiny Hat, and I think it looks exactly like it sounds. It looks teeny tiny, and it kind of looks elvish. That's what I was going for. So this is designed for preemie babies, and it's a free pattern on Ravelry, designed for worsted weight yarn. What I suggest, if you have extra yarn and extra time, download my pattern, check with your local hospital what kind of yarn they would like you to use, because some hospitals are very specific. Make them, donate them, and you'll make one tiny baby and the parents very happy. And please share pictures with us. So a little bit more about this pattern. So I used 12-inch circular to cast on, and I use Chiago. This is the only needles I use. And then when you start decreasing, just switch to double points. Of course, you can start working with double points all around, but I just find easier to start with this. Pattern itself is 2 pages, written instruction, no chart, but it's very detailed. And I also use 220 superwash merino. So I love this yarn. It's, in my opinion, it's like a perfect worsted weight yarn in solids. It's very agreeable, very easy to block, very soft and washable. So I love it and I do recommend it. So just make sure your local hospital will accept this yarn. Some hospitals want just pure cotton. So here's how it looks like in a shape. It's pretty cute and very elvish. So I hope you will download it, make it, donate it, and I want to see pictures on Ravelry. Thank you. So, but next one is kind of similar to Elvish, and I call it Pixieish because it is kind of Pixieish. So it's one pattern is 4 sizes. And I have to just tell you that sizes, babies come in all kind of shapes and forms and head sizes. So the sizing is approximate. So I call this newborn. So for somebody it's like a 3 months old, for somebody it's too small. So just sizing is approximate. So newborn, 0 to 3, 3 to 6, and 6 to 12. So pattern is not hard to follow, but I think the result is pretty cute. Look at this crown. I mean, it's very textured, just very interesting pattern and very Pixieish, in my opinion. So all those yarns, like all those hats, I started with US 16. And then when you cannot fit them anymore on circular needles, switch to double points and decrease. I also use for those worsted weight 220 superwash merino, and I already said how much I love this yarn, so it's a perfect yarn for this project. And one skein will take you, probably you can make up to 3 hats, depends on the size. But so it's you know, one skein will take you a long way. Pattern itself is 5 pages. It's got written instruction, very detailed, and a chart on the back. And also what is really new, what I start doing, and I'm gonna do it now all the way for all my patterns, because I use certain techniques, and sometimes I link the video, and besides the linking video, I start using reference of a book. And I'm using Vogue Knitting Ultimate Knitting book now as a reference, because in my opinion, this is what it is, ultimate knitting book. So if you're looking for any specific technique, you don't know how to do it, this book will explain it to you. And I use it in a few places in my pattern. I put a page number, so, and it will tell you which particular book. So I use it as a reference. So this is kind of new in my patterns. So I hope you like my Pixieish pattern and my free Elvish teeny tiny hat. Download it, let me know what you think, share pictures with us, and we want to see it on Ravelry, your projects. Also, I start my own group on Ravelry, so join. So this way you would know what's going on. It's like we're gonna get our own kind of smaller, cozy community. And I hope to see you there. And we'll see you next time. Thank you and happy knitting. Bye.